Hey guys, Rad Performance here. So today I'm going to give you my honest review of the Alcantara online advertisement you may have seen. So please excuse the crudity for this demonstration of how I installed the roll of self-adhesive Alcantara suede imitation onto a lower kick panel of an older car. So if you look, I'm going to recommend you get X-Acto knives. I cut with a straight razor. It is possible, however, it is much more difficult to control. You most likely will want a X-Acto knife to get the best results. If you look, you can splice, and if it was inside of the car, down on your lower left, you might not really notice it, that there's a splice in there. But, however, obviously, just wrap it right the first time. But I will give you my honest opinion that it is very pliable. You have the ability to stretch it and pull it as you need. And then you smooth out and then work your way towards the edges. Make sure your edges are crisp. And then you will cut with most likely an X-Acto knife for the best results. But, in honesty, I would definitely recommend it. And there's different grades that you can get. This is literally the one that is $10 for the roll from Temu, no kidding. But it does work, but definitely will be better with proper fitment. But the imitation and the quality is there, and from what it looks like whenever you receive it inside the package. So this material, whenever you receive it inside of your roll, you will notice that it is incredibly thin. Basically, this kind of applies more like a vinyl wrap than anything else. So also, if you have a heat gun, then that might actually help you a good bit, or if you even want to heat it up with a little torch. But basically, this is also applied even in the cold. So if you're inside of a warmer climate that's not below freezing like I am, you might even get better results, even though I don't have any air bubbles. And then I also realized that for wrapping edges, if you have it as a finished edge, it wraps really well, and it seems to stick on the backside quite nicely. That's actually something I'm just thinking about, because I may even just proceed and wrap everywhere and then just cut on one section instead of cutting out. Because if you can have instead of cutting with a blade, you can just wrap it around and it self-adheres very well. And then you could just install the panel back for whatever your project is. But okay, guys. If you would like to see how I apply this, a step-by-step walkthrough, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.